Air popcorn poppers offer a convenient, oil-free way to enjoy movie night snacking without added fats. This comparison examines 5 popular models in a tight price range, $19.99 to $39.99, to help consumers balance cost, performance, and ease of use. My testing framework combines objective measurements with real-world usage, recipe and cups testing, noise assessment. Product number 1, Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker, oil-free. The Dash Fresh Pop in Aqua is a compact, oil-free air popper that emphasizes value and family-friendly usability. It ships with a measuring cup and a recipe guide, plus a butter warming tray integrated into the measuring cup, enabling a simple butter finish without extra gadgets. At 16 cup capacity, it targets typical movie night portions, and its compact footprint, 8.4 inches length by 4.8 inches width by 13.5 inches height, keeps it on most countertops without dominating the space. The unit is entirely electric and relies on a standard plug with non-slip feet to minimize movement during operation. Its plastic construction keeps costs down, but the weight and feel are light, which is typical for budget poppers. In daily use, the Dash excels at quick, oil-free popping with relatively few unpopped kernels when fed an even corn-to-butter ratio as directed by the recipe guide. The butter melting tray is convenient.
Product number 2, Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker, oil-free. This red variant shares the same core design and feature set as the Aqua Dash model, delivering a 16-cup capacity and the same oil-free operation with a butter warming tray and included measuring cup. The red color provides a pop of kitchen personality, which can be appealing in shared spaces or showpiece counters. It maintains a similar footprint and lightweight construction, making portability and storage straightforward. Like its Aqua sibling, it aims to balance accessibility with compact performance at a budget-friendly price. In practice, the Dash Red behaves similarly to the Aqua version: quick startup, straightforward operation, and predictable batch results when following the recipe guide. The non-electric, manually controlled design feature is absent here. It remains an electric popper with consistent pop cycles.
Product number 3, Presto 04863 Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Built-in measuring cup plus melts butter. The Presto Pop Light 04863 is a higher capacity hot air popper with an 18-cup output and a built-in cord wrap for tidy storage. It includes a multi-function cap that doubles as a measuring cup and a butter melting tray, enabling a near-theater experience with minimal mess. With 2.5-minute pop times, it emphasizes efficiency and a quick return on snack production. The red housing is a signature Presto color that signals a more robust design relative to ultra-budget options, and the unit is easy to wipe down thanks to oil-free operation. Real-world use shows the Pop Light delivering very low unpopped kernels, especially when fed a consistent corn-to-capacity ratio. The butter melt feature works well when you pour melted butter into the integrated tray during the final seconds of popping, producing an aroma-rich finish.
Product number 4, Presto 04820 Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Built-in measuring cup plus melts butter. The yellow variant of the Presto Pop Light shares the same core features as the red model: 18-cup capacity, built-in measuring cup / butter melt tray, oil-free operation, and a cord wrap for storage convenience. The yellow color adds a bright, cheerful look to the kitchen and may fit well in modern or playful decor. Like its sibling, it is designed for quick production and straightforward cleanup, appealing to users who want a larger batch without oil and a compact design.
In use, the yellow pop light demonstrates the same efficiency and fairly uniform popping results as the red variant, with the main differentiator being aesthetics rather than functionality. The integrated features perform as advertised, and the butter melt tray is practical for adding a finishing touch.
Product number 5. Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker, oil-free. The white Dash model is functionally identical to the aqua and red versions in design and feature set, delivering oil-free popping with a 16-cup capacity and an integrated butter warming tray. The white finish offers a clean, neutral aesthetic that blends into most kitchens and works well in bright, minimalist spaces. It emphasizes simplicity and value with the same measuring cup, recipe guide, and non-slip feet that characterize the Dash lineup. Performance-wise, it performs similarly to the other Dash options, with reliable pop rates and straightforward operation. The 16-cup capacity is well suited for family movie nights, but it may require batching for larger gatherings. Cleaning remains easy thanks to the oil-free design, but users should routinely wipe the chute and base to prevent popcorn dust buildup. The white variant is ideal for buyers who want a cohesive, light-colored appliance on their counter.